How to log into your ODI Bets account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your ODI Bets account. ODI Bets appears to be a platform related to betting on one-day international cricket matches. Here ODI stands for One Day International. Now if you want to log into your ODI Bets account, first of all open any preferred web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the home page of your browser, at the address bar type odibets.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here in order to reach to the official website. And once you enter this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Wait for a while until you reach to the official website of ODI Bets. You will find this interface on your screen. Here at the top right corner, you will find the login button. Go ahead and click on that login button. And then you will see the login interface popping up on the screen. Here you will have to enter your phone number and password of your account to get successfully logged into your account. In the first box, enter the phone number associated with your account, and in the second box, enter the password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. In case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this forgot password option just below it, and then from there you can recover your password by following the prompts given to you. Also, if you haven't activated your account previously, you can click on this activate account to activate it. Now after entering all the login credentials, click on this login to ODI Bets option right here, and then you will be successfully logged in to your ODI Bets account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.